Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Berger, Dean of the College of Doctoral Studies at Grand Canyon University. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to something that we believe is redefining doctoral research, the impact dissertation. Simply put, it's a fresh, innovative way of thinking about your doctoral research. This bold and innovative approach transforms research into practical solutions that address everyday challenges. It's all about reflective practice, encouraging you to critically examine your experiences and apply those insights to your work. Our goal is to ensure that doctoral research is not only academically rigorous, but also practical and impactful. There are several important elements that make the impact dissertation unique. It focuses on tackling real issues that professionals like you face in your fields. It emphasizes reflective readiness, where you, as the researcher, take time to reflect on your own experiences and biases to inform your work. It promotes evidence-based decision-making, ensuring that your conclusions are grounded in solid research with tangible benefits for practitioners in your field. Now, let's talk about how this approach is structured. The impact dissertation has 5 chapters, just like a traditional dissertation. But here's the difference. Each chapter is carefully designed to align with the reflective practice approach. In Chapter 1, you introduce your problem of practice and discuss its relevance to your field. You will also share your personal connection to the topic, framing your purpose and research questions with a focus on practical impact. In Chapter 2, you will dive deeper into the practice-based problem, exploring the issue with practical connections and connecting theory to practice. This chapter also synthesizes relevant literature, leading to an impact statement that bridges both theory and practice. Chapter 3 focuses on methodology. You will explain why you chose a qualitative or a quantitative approach, detailing your data collection and analysis methods, and ensuring that everything aligns with the reflective practice model. Chapter 4 is where you will present the data that you've collected. You will organize their findings by themes or research questions, providing clear evidence of your analysis process and discussing any limitations transparently. Finally, in Chapter 5, you will summarize your findings, highlighting practical implication and offering a reflective critique of your research journey and its outcomes. In short, the impact dissertation takes doctoral research into your business, school, and community, focusing not just in theory, but in actionable, practical solutions that will help to create practical change. It's a bold, forward-thinking approach that sets GCU apart and redefines what a doctoral program can achieve. We know that this is a new way of thinking, and we're here to help you every step of the way. GCU offers tools like Greenberger's Guide for Reflective Practice, an updated dissertation template, and tailored institutional review board and methodological resources. These resources are designed to make the process as seamless as possible for both you and your dissertation committee. We think that the impact dissertation is a big step forward for doctoral education. By bridging the gap between scholarly academic research and practical application in your communities, we're creating opportunities for meaningful practical impact rooted in purpose. I'm excited about what this approach means for you and the communities that you'll be serving. Thanks so much for your time today. For more information or to ask any additional questions, be sure to connect with your university counselor.